All right, we're in an altercation. The guy comes in for a takedown. I get knocked down. I'm gonna wrap my guard up, head off the ground, hands up. He goes for a strike. I use my legs, pull in. I'm gonna cover my face. Now from here, I'm gonna wrap around, grab the head. When I'm ready and uncomfortable, I'm gonna slide out. This foot goes on the hip. This one right across the shoulders. He turns into me to punch. I'm using my knee and making a little funnel here. So stop it, catch. This side, my foot goes to the hip, same thing. Once I catch him, I'm gonna use my hips, slide to the wrist. Now from here, strong person, whatever, he blows out of it, he goes for a punch, bring my knees up to his chest, right? He stands up. Now from here, stick it connected, strike, hands always stay up. Once I get them back up far enough, I'm gonna come up and I'm gonna stand in base. So base here, now this leg circles, right my hand.